been a while. So I'm back from the dead. A lot of stuff happened. Basically, my old mic got ran over by a car. Long story. Got a new mic, and that was like a whole thing. Like it didn't work for my phone, and yada yada yada. I had to get this new mic. This one seems to work pretty well so far, so that's good. But yeah, all that aside, been a couple months, but I am back from the Shadow Realm. And so the first video I wanted to make was about my most recent trip to the oldest town, the oldest European town in America. It is home to things like the Leitner Museum, Flagler College, and Castillo de San Marco, which is like a really old fort there. It's a really cool town, and I wanted to just kind of document it. I actually had a couple other videos planned to make before this, but been having like a whole issue with getting things from my iPhone to my Dell laptop and everything. So thank you, Apple, for making my life so difficult all the time. Really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get going. As far as where we stayed, we actually stayed at the local Hilton Doubletree. It wasn't anything like crazy fancy or anything, but it was pretty nice. I had never actually stayed in a Doubletree before, I realized. And honestly, like the morning buffet was actually really good. Their bar was fantastic. All their employees super nice. Would really recommend staying there if you're going to San Francisco. Right across from this place called Our Lady de la Leche. So I really enjoyed passing by that every day. I have no idea what it was. I still have no idea what it is. I could do some research. I'm not going to, but I could. So day one, we kind of spent mostly exploring and shopping and everything. First stop was this place called Materialistic Uptown, and it was a really funny little shop. They had like a lot of cute little knickknacks here, you know, like those coasters that people love with like the little drinking helps this and yada yada yada, those types of things. We got a gift for our cat Simba. Got him some catnip. I think it's easy to say from the video that he really enjoyed it. And then we did a little bit more exploring. We passed by this like historic cemetery, and then we went to the downtown historic district, which is right across from the fort that I mentioned earlier. Our first place that we stopped in there was this place for like hot sauces and barbecues and everything. Yeah, it's called Pepper Palace, and we spent a good little amount of time there.
Pepper Palace. Pepper Palace. Okay, this is like a bestseller. Let's see. Thoughts?
Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Not very well, but it might be a little hot for you.
Okay. My turn.
It says it's good on everything.
It smells kind of hot. Okay, this is the other bestseller. What is it? Fusion. Pepper Palace Fusion Garlic and Pepper Hot Sauce. Okay.
I'm used to eating spicy stuff, but this might be like
Let's see.
Is it?
It's what, vinegary?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. I feel like I would like that.
I think you'll like it.
Okay. Are you just gonna turn it around?
Your turn.
You ever see those things with the wings when they're like,
Ooh, it smells good.
stuff like that, and then like I think it was like Man versus Food show.
Yeah.
I don't know if you ever seen that.
I like that one.
I like it too.
Okay.
Got one called Keister Killer and Blistered Bumble.
Okay, hold on. Okay, try the keister. Okay. Okay. Keister killer.
It kind of tastes like a vinegary barbecue sauce.
Ooh, okay.
It's not bad.
Okay. I'm a little bit nervous here. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like, it's like in my, I'm good. It was too hot for me, but I mean, it was good, but it's too hot for Stephanie. Just
It's really good.
okay.
I don't taste any spice. Yeah, it's really good
That
though.
was hot.
Sister says that she didn't want to try any of the hot ones. However, we found
Chocolate.
chocolate habanero, and she's a chocolate fiend.
So
So
we're gonna try one. I might die. It's fine. Ooh, it smells like really good.
Absolutely.
It's hot, but the chocolate, like I can taste the chocolate.
it's good.
Yeah. My tongue's on fire.
I like this.
My turn.
Okay, same one, right? Chocolate habanero.
Yep, that's the one.
See? Yeah. See
Yeah.
what I mean? You can taste the
No,
chocolate.
that's actually really good.
Yeah. Agreed. All right. Kai's gonna continue on the journey. I'm out. I'm tapped out.
Mango habanero.
Mango habanero. Okay.
Then this will be nothing.
Taste it.
Yeah. Can you taste the mango?
Very much. It's very strong. Like,
Awesome. Okay.
are we sure?
This one, I want you to try this one.
You want
Think
me
you-
to?
I do. Ghost mustard.
Thai chilies? Yeah. But I don't know if that's. Those are spicy for pineapple.
It smells hot.
But if you're only doing a drop of this, honestly, if you eat like a few Thai chilies,
Yeah, it's probably about the
It's really good.
Yeah.
Is it really good?
It is really good.
Is it really hot?
Definitely has a bite to it. Yeah.
Yeah, like too hot for me. Yes. Okay.
Like you will die.
I will die. Okay. Cool. Okay. Barbecue sauces. So hot whiskey barbecue. Kai's gonna try it because I think it's too hot for me. How do we feel?
Kind of amazing. But
Kind of
also hurts.
amazing, but it hurts. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Noted. Which one's that?
Mountain Q Chipotle.
Okay.
It's medium.
Okay.
You wanna try
You
it?
can do sure.
We'll try it together.
Okay, we'll try it together. Smell it. Ooh, it smells really good.
It's good.
I don't like it. That one's yeah. Okay. I like the general flavor, but okay. Honey chipotle ramen. Okay, bestseller.
Yeah. It's so good.
Okay.
Alright, Steph wants to try the wimpiest ones.
Rude. Mega garlic. Sounds delish. Okay. Ooh, it's like a pretty color. Oh, it smells so garlicky. There will be no vampires here tonight.
Good.
It is good. It's not my favorite, but it's good.
Okay. Hang on.
Can you see that? Like awkward. There we go.
Perfect.
Santa hats is the no heat whatsoever.
Okay.
Everything else is released over.
Smells good. I like it because it's all the vinegar.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try this raspberry chipotle.
Okay, raspberry chipotle. Ooh, okay. Is that medium? Or mild? Does it say mild or medium?
It doesn't say. So
Peep at it. Okay, so we don't
mystery.
know.
It's mystery. It's kind of like a jam.
Ooh, I kind of want to try it. Do you think it's too hot for me or am I good?
No.
Good? Okay. All right, I'll try it. That's really good.
We went and like explored a little bit more. It's a very charming little area. Very cute little store. They've got like drinks by this crepe shop. I don't remember what it was called. I'll put like the picture that I took
How about one of these
up
little
here.
tables over here?
But it was really cool. They had like this pear and cheese
like right over here.
crepe, which like upon first hearing doesn't sound great, but it was actually really, really nice. And they had this beautiful little seating area, like covered in greenery and everything, like perfect for photo shoots if you wanted to do one. I'd highly recommend visiting.
Hey, what a double play combination.
Just like really well for me. Okay, we go. Oh, here we go. Oh gosh. Oh. I don't know how I feel about this.
And we visited this cathedral. That's like a big, it was massive, like huge cathedral. They have a ton of like little shops, like on these cobblestone streets that are worth checking into, and these little like side stores. There was this really cool one that I don't think I got any pictures of, and it was like really steampunk coated. That was really fun, very aesthetically pleasing, and a lot of like crystal stores. There's actually one that I'm going to talk about probably in a separate video. Probably gonna make this like a two-parter or something. And that one, we got like seasonings and stuff. I'll go over it later. We actually stopped in and got something to eat at this seafood place. Or I guess it's like a general like food place, but we got some like shrimp there. The seafood is really, really good in St. Augustine. We got some coconut shrimp while we were there because we wanted to sample like a couple different things from a couple different places and everything. And they were serving it with like this daddle sauce. Daddle seems to be like a really big thing there. I haven't looked into any of the history of that, but it kind of goes well with everything. It has like a barbecue-y taste to it naturally. Like sweet and everything. Big fan. Not very spicy if that's like a thing for you. By like halfway through the day, my back was starting to hurt because like we had bought so many things. Like, it's a really great town for shopping. I would highly recommend hanging out in that area for a while. And then that evening, we actually already had a tour scheduled for like the Night of Lights. I didn't know this at the time, but apparently they have like one of like top 10 in the world light show displays, and it was really enjoyable. They give you these like glasses that you can put on that turn all lights into like snowflakes and everything. So that was really cool. I think I was able to get it in a picture or a video or something just a bit. See if I can get the effect.
I don't know if you can.
Almost. Oh, I did it. Yeah.
And since we know a place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I promise some corn for popping. I took her way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And we finally it's good night. All the way home. But as long horrifying. What do reindeer hang on their Christmas trees? Ornaments. Does anybody know what the Grinch's least favorite band is? The Who. And one more. What was the 10th reindeer? That's what was the meanest. Anybody? We had Olive. You know, in the song it says, all of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. Hey, I'll be here all week. Y'all enjoy the music.
I'm not a huge Christmas guy personally. However, this one was really fun. We had this like drunk couple behind us, and they were like singing their hearts out.
All I want for Christmas is lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Hey, we're on a sleigh ride together. Yeah. I didn't sing the sleigh song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hey. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, it's riding when we're going sleigh. The bells ring all, let them all away.
That honestly like probably heightened the experience for me quite a bit. And if I had known like beforehand that this was an option, there was also like an alternate tour where you could like ride around and your driver would actually be the Grinch. There's this guy who apparently annually goes around and does this tour, and he's really good. Like we passed by him a few times, and I wish I could have gotten him on video, but his impression impeccable. I think it's like a 10 out of 10 experience if you are a huge Christmas person though, and it's a really good opportunity for you to like see the whole city and all the lights at the same time. Of course, we took the time to actually, you know, hoof it and like check out the city for ourselves in the second day, but that is more for part 2. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'd really appreciate if you can give me a like, comment what you have maybe seen about St. Augustine, or what your favorite city is, what the next city we should visit should be. And I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know, both in this video and in a couple other videos, I'm going to mention this, but for 2026, Steph and I are going to try to do a challenge of going on pretty much every major cruise line within a year, because she's only ever been on Disney cruises, and I've been on one Carnival cruise and one Disney cruise, which was vastly different experiences. So now I really want to take this opportunity for us to familiarize ourselves with them and kind of determine like what is the most bang for your buck and what is like the ultimate cruise experience. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with anyone you think that might be interested. Have a great day.